All right, this is our website Bitrate, and we are scraping Twitter and Google and comparing the amount of mentions against the current US dollar for different coins. And we have 5 different coins here. And basically, you can come in here and choose specific dates. We have some data here for January, and it'll update the graph. We're using Chart.js and Bootstrap to style everything, which is really cool. And then you can also manipulate this, so you can remove parts of the graph. But other than that, we just have a nice simple layout, minimalistic for the website.
All right. So for the back end of this shindig, we got we got an API crawler. So pretty much our limitation with this was we wanted to gather tweet mentions about specific cryptocurrencies, but unfortunately, Twitter only lets you go back a week for the number of tweets. So what we had to do was we had to pretty much make use of this package called hashtag count that we got off of npm. And pretty much what this does is it opens a stream to the Twitter's API, and it gathers all the tweets that it needs for that day. And then after that day happens, after it's been counting all day, it launches the function interval event, which pretty much what we do here is at this specific interval, we go ahead and capture the cryptocurrency price using another API. Which API are we using?
That's using Bitrexe's API, which is a marketplace for trading cryptocurrencies, lots of them out there. And they provide a very simple JSON-based API to get price action data for any given cryptocurrency and compare it to another one. So we take that data and then we save that alongside our search trends and our hashtag trends and use that to compare it.
Yeah, and we're also gathering the Google trend for that day, which is pretty much a number from 0 to 100 of the amount of buzz surrounding that specific search term for that day. So we're collecting that at the same time as the coin price, and then along with that Twitter scraper that's pretty much been running all day, counting the number of tweets. And then at the end of that day, it fires this interval event and it stores it in our SQL server. So then when it's in our SQL server, we then have our wrapper that we created here that then just does a simple select statement and throws it back out. So on the front end, when we do those AJAX calls back to our server, it can retrieve it from the SQL server really fast for those specific days and then just push it back to our front end. And that's pretty much it.
Try to escape.